got a food processor. And let's see what else we got. Hey, Laura. Didn't you sell these before? The old school grates?
They were old school. I don't know if those are old school or not.
How do you tell they're old school or not?
I don't know. They look bright red.
It was bright red? Okay. Okay. I remember you sold it and I was like shocked at what you got for it. See what we got here. Yeah, nothing jumping out at me yet, guys. This auction is on the main drag, so it gets a little tricky. 1987. I love my toys. Old toys. Laura, do you recognize this?
No.
I'm trying to get a date on this guy. This guy looks like it.
Put that back, brother.
No date. No maker. Oh well. Is this a pound puppy? What do pound puppies look like, Laura?
Like stuffed dogs? No.
Yeah, it is. 1985 pound puppy.
I would not. It's dog biscuit. I see. It's a snowman.
Pound puppies aren't worth anything?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Did I just get one the other week? But you said that wasn't a real pound puppy. But these are. I don't know. I might have to override her. And then we'll see who was right. I don't know. Okay, let's see what else is here. Oh, these paintable clay figures. We've sold some that were like unique, pretty cool. Oh wow, they have a lot of them. You sell those in bulk. Interesting. We might have to present that to the wife. See what's over here. We got, oh, this is pretty. There's some old irons. What else do we have here? I really got to learn about jeans and clothes, vintage stuff, because I don't know anything about it unless it jumps out at me. Alright, let's go back over here. See, I'm probably going to buy a pound puppy though, against her wishes. What do we have up here? Oh, did you see these Legos? Okay.
Daddy?
Yes. Naturally, mommy's quick to say no. That's pretty.
Can I get the pop rack to play with?
Can you get it to play with?
Yeah. You'll entertain me for the rest of the day and I will stop annoying you.
Sure you will. I don't think you have the ability to stop annoying me. Hey, look at that old TV set. That's a matter of time. That's going to become collectible. I think they should be starting to get value now. Thomas the Train Track and Houses. Hey, Laura. Do you know anything about Thomas the Train Engine Track? Huh? You have girls?
You do almost. You're right.
Oh, they're selling on 3 of these for $1. Oh, that's cool. That's easy to ship. With it.
I don't know.
Alright, I'll get it. You see this? Yeah. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Ah, good.
Nice day out there, ain't it?
It's beautiful. I'm so glad I'm not at work.
Yeah, there for sure, huh?
Yeah.
Every day's a good day when you're not Yeah, it's nice to have a day off.
Yeah. Get this. Yeah, boy. Let's see what else we have here.
Maybe you could put celery and carrots and stuff in it.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
Glazed, yeah.
Pretty soon it's going to be so warm out, everybody will be complaining.
Yep. Yeah,
I'm gonna get this.
tomorrow. It's 90 something tomorrow.
Yeah, let me get those. Let me get this gold recorder. Gold frame. Did you see this, Lord?
No.
No, too much. All right.
Mommy, what?
I see.
Let me slap behind you.
Daddy's sliding.
It's kind of weird how punch bowls just kind of. Oh, cool. I like this. Oops, don't fall. I like that. This and this. Okay, great. Alright. Is there? Hey, Laura. Did you see this picture over here?
Yeah, looks like it.
What do you think of these?
Yeah.
Wall decor? Nah. You said that was Golf Brooks, Laura?
Daddy, Mom said I could get that car rack.
I'm gonna get it. Set this here.
What is Brooks, huh?
Yeah.
That's a big deal.
Oh, what does she like when I get?
Mama said no, so she's gonna ask Daddy instead.
I'm trying to fix car rack.
Sorry. What does she want to get? It depends how much they want for it, Star.
You're gonna have to put it over
Did you want that? What do you think for this, Laura? Yes? No? Alright, we're gonna get these. Set this over to the side.
There's $1 on that, wasn't it?
Yeah. I think I'm done.
I told her her car thing is $5 and that would be all of her money.
That would be a lot.
She said, how many yard sales are we going to? And I said, a lot.
A lot.
I want to go home.
Yeah, I will wait, Starry. You'll be able to get a lot more. We understand. I'm so sorry. Mommy's so mean to you. Hey, I was looking at these the clay things. I was looking at the plaster things. Do you think that could be sold in bulk, like 1 of 10, 1 of whatever, the old painting things out there?
It's called ceramics.
Ceramics, I know. Remember, everything you're saying is being recorded, so don't make me look stupid.
The one,
I'm already stupid enough.
the one that we had
Yeah.
at the house took forever to sell.
Took forever to sell? Alright.
I know you want to know.
I mean, she...
I haven't done anything yet.
Did you see anything else out here, Laura? You said no to the pound puppy, right?
Yeah, I said no to the company.
Alright, and that's it. Till these dollar price on for $20.25. This is a picture of Garth Brooks. We'll sell that for, we'll list it for $20, order for $1. These here, home decor. Sorry, Laura. Home decor, we're gonna list that for probably $20. Just a bunch of $20 stuff.